How are you?
How are you?
Yes, you said you.
I'm too. How are you?
Yes. How do you do?
How do you do?
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
Yes. Do you feel better?
Do you feel better?
Yes. You
You
are
are
great.
rich.
You are great.
You were great. With.
Yes.
You were great.
Yes. Yes. That's it. Handsome.
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 Yeah.
Handsome.
Yes.
Handsome.
Man.
Handsome.
Yeah. That was it. Handsome man.
Handsome.
Yes, that's it. Beautiful.
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 Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes,
Beautiful.
it's beautiful. How old are you?
How old are you?
Yes.
How old are you?
Yes, yes, yes. Run. Run, room. Run, room. Bath, room.
Bus.
Bath, room.
Bus.
Room. Bathroom.
Bus.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yeah. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yes. Okay. Yes. How are you?
How are you?
Yes. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah. See you later.
See you later.
Yes. Stop.
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 Stop. Yeah. Where is the bus stop?
Where is the bus stop?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
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 Yeah, I'm sorry.
sorry.
Yes. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
To meet you.
To meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Yes, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
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 Yes. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. Good night.
Good night.
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 Good night.
Good night.
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 Good night.
Good night.
Yeah, good night.
Good night.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Welcome.
Welcome.
Yeah. Welcome.
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 Yeah. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this week's video. If you liked it, please make sure you hit like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you leave me a comment about any words in the video that were really hard for you or any words that you'd like to see in a future video. Have a fantastic week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.